No one knows the answer. What is meant by mode? Am I audible?
Set of data values.
Mm, not exactly.
Numbers appear most often in a set of numbers.
Suppose consider data. So in this data, which number is frequently repeated?
Sir, one.
Yeah, 3.
Sir, 132.
Which is frequently repeated? எல்லாத்தையும் சொல்லக்கூடாது.
One.
So 1 3 times, right? 2 2 times. Any other number repeated? 3 also 2 times.
3.
Yeah, only these numbers, right? Okay, now tell me remaining numbers are not repeated. Only once it has occurred. So which is frequently occurred? So 2 3 4, no, like they are repeated. So which is most frequently occurred?
1.
1, right? So 1 is called mode of this given data. This is what we call as mode. Frequently occurring. Okay, that is for ungrouped data, which is occurring, like mode is nothing but which occurred maximum times. Which occurred maximum. Okay. So 1 1 2 2 3. Now tell me what is mode of this data. Class 10, what is mode of this data? 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3.
So 1 and 2.
Yeah, both 1 and 2 are mode of this given data. 1 2 3 4 5. What is mode of this data?
1, 2, 3. Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the number is mode of the data of X.
Sir, you are in mute.
Got it?
Sir, you're mute, sir.
Got it? So this kind of data are called ungrouped data. And what we are learning is mean of a grouped data, median of a grouped data, and mode of the grouped data. Grouped data is the informations are given in class intervals. Right? So formula to find mode of a grouped data is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. What is meant by L? Lower limit of the model class. Suppose class interval is given like this 1 to 5. So this is called lower limit. This is upper limit. This is called L. Lower limit of the which one? Model class. So we have to find the model class first. Okay. H. The model class would be class size. The class size of the model class. Okay. Class size means see 1 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. See? Class size is 10. Each class size is 10. Okay. F1 means frequency of the model class. Right? In tabular column, frequency has been mentioned. To the model class, we have to write the frequency, that is F1. And F0 means frequency of the model class preceding the model class. Right? Okay. Frequency of the class interval preceding the model class. Right? Okay. Not frequency of the frequency of the class. Okay. Just write out the word model class. So the frequency of the class preceding the model class. And F2 is frequency of the class succeeding the model class. So L, H, F0, F1, F2. So through a problem, I will explain how to find this one. Now also take exercise 14.2. I will explain how to find L. One of the simplest of all is finding mode. Mute yourself. So question number 1. So what are the elements we have to find? First, I have to find the model class. Okay, the model class is okay. Second, what I have to find? I have to find the value of L. Next, I have to find the value of H. Next, I have to find
F1.
F1. Then F0.
F.
Yeah, that's
F.
it. These are the 5 values I have to find. Then what I have to do? I have to find substitute in the formula. L plus what is the formula?
F1.
Not
Whole divided by
F1 minus F0 minus F2
that's it.
into H.
Yeah. So see the first problem. The following table shows the age of a patient admitted in a hospital during a year. Okay. So the class interval given in age, am I right? So between age 5 to 15, how many patients have joined in that year?
6.
6 patients. Okay. 15 to 25, age 15 to age 25, how many patients have joined? Admitted, 11. Between age 25 to 35, how many patients have joined? 21.
21.
Right? Like that, there has been information has been given. Which is frequency there? Number of occurrence is called frequency. Which is frequency there? The 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5 is there, no? That is called frequency. Okay. Now the question is find the mode and mean of the data given above. Okay. Now we are supposed to find mode and mean they are asking. We'll find mode in this exercise. Right? Okay. Only mode alone we are going to. Okay. How to find model class? The model class is see which frequency is higher there. So everyone have to listen very carefully. Right? Have that exercise 14.2 opened and listen to this. Then only can easily understand. One problem is more than enough for model class. So listen very carefully. Okay. I am going to find the model class. It has half a mark. Okay. Which frequency is higher, pa? 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. Frequency is higher. The frequency, highest frequency is 23.
23.
What is the respective class interval of the highest frequency?
35 to 45.
That is called. You got it? That is called model class. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, L, lower limit of the model class.
5.
Sir, 5.
Sir, 5, sir.
So, see, age given 5 to 15. Class interval. Okay. So, number of patients, frequency. What is given?
11, 21, 23, 14, 5.
Which is highest?
23.
23 is highest, right? So, this is called model class. Okay. This is called model class. So, what is the lower limit of the model class? What is the lower limit of the model class?
5. 55 to 65. 5.
Sir, 35.
35, right? See, model class is 35 to 45. And which is the lower limit here?
35.
35.
Then L is equal to 35. Okay. Next, H. Class size of the model class. See, what is the class size?
10.
10.
10.
Right? See, 35 to 45. The difference is 10, right? So H is 10. So L 35, H 10. L 35, H 10. Now, next. What is F1?
So 6. 6, sir. 6.
F1 na என்னன்னு first சொல்லுங்க.
So the first frequency. So frequency of the model.
Frequency of the first interval சொல்லிருக்கனா? Tell me,
No.
what is into F?
Class.
Frequency of the model class. Frequency of the model class. So 35 to 45 is the model class. What is the frequency of this model class?
20.
20.
F1 is 23. Next, F0, F2 we have to find. What is F0? See, it is given
The model class preceding.
of frequency of your particular class interval preceding model class. அப்படின்னா இந்த frequency முன்னாடி model class க்கு முன்னாடி இருக்க frequency. இதான் model class. Model class frequency 23. What is the preceding frequency?
21.
Sir, 21.
F0. F2 is அதேதான் frequency of the class succeeding the model class. இதான் model class
14.
succeeding. அப்ப next 14.
14.
அவ்வளவுதான் values. இதை ஈஸியா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம். நான் எப்படின்னு சொல்றேன் பாருங்க. So F1 23, F0 21, F2 14. See, easily 0, 1, 2. How will you write it in order? 0, 1, 2. எப்படி ஆர்டர் எழுத முடியும்? 1 இருக்கு, 0 இருக்கு, 2 இருக்கு. ஆர்டர் எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க? Numbers?
0, 1, 2.
Yeah. So these are all frequency, right? 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. They are all frequency, right? Okay. So we are going to talk about these three frequency alone. Am I right? So this first one is F0. That is F0, F0, F1, F2. Order is 0, 1, 2. That's it. Am I right or wrong? F1 23, F0. Easy. Meaning on the preceding, succeeding, for your understanding, I told you. Which is highest? The respective class interval is the model class. Lower limit. Class size H. The nearer frequency one. Preceding F0, F1, F2. That's it. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
With this, I have written the value. Now, I'm going to find the mode. Mode is equal to L. What is L?
35. 35.
F1. What is F1?
23.
23 minus F0
Sir,
20.
20.
whole divided by 2F1. What is 2F1?
23.
Minus F0. Minus
41.
minus
21.
F minus
Sir,
F
14. 14.
into H.
Sir, 10.
So 35 into 23 minus 21, 2. Right? 2 into 23, 46. Both negative. Add it. 21, 14. Minus 35 into 10. Am I right? So 35 into 2 divided by 46 minus 35. 11.
11.
That's it. 35 into 2 into 10, 20, right? 20 by 11. So here come plus, right? Plus. 35 plus. Okay. So 35 plus, what is 10 by 11? You have to divide it in the rough form. So you'll be getting 1.8. Come on, divide and tell me. You have to find two decimals. Two decimal you have to find. 20 divided by 11. Get 1.81. 35 plus 1.81. 36.81. Got it? Therefore, mode is equal to 36.81. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll be sharing in the chat box, right? So before that, to the second problem. See, what is given? 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. This is class interval. What about frequency? 10,
10,
35.
52, 61,
61.
38,
29.
So what are the values I need? I have to find
Model
L, H, F1, F0, F2.
H,
H,
F0,
F1,
1,
F1,
0.
F2.
That's it, right? What is model class? Which is highest frequency?
61, sir, 61.
Which is the model class?
60 to 80.
80.
Model class is 60. Okay. In solution, no need to write the tabular column. I'm right. Tabular column and question tabular column, which is more than enough. Okay. Right. What is lower limit? Lower limit of the model class. L value.
60, sir.
H. Class size.
20, sir.
60 to 80 then about 20. Okay. Now the
20.
frequency of the model class is 61. Apna preceding eduthu 0, F1, F2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
52, 61, 38. That's it. Substitute in the formula, find the answer. That's it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is your turn. I'm going to share only the first problem. How many problems are there in the exercise?
There are 6 problems. 6
Six
Sir,
problems.
6 problems.
Yeah. So here, there it has been asked to find both mean and mode. So today we are learning only mode, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Find mode alone. No need to find the mean.
Yes, sir.
So first write down the formula. So chat box not there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I shared in the WhatsApp group. So I can leave space for writing the question. Later you can write. So what are the space required? 5 to 10 lines means you just leave 5 to 10 lines. From the book, write what is model class, what is H, and complete the answer.